Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Wuthering Waves not launching on PC. And today we're going to use Epic Games as the main example. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. So right now we are on the Epic Games launcher, and from here we have Wuthering Waves. If you have it installed, then simply click on the three dots and then go to Manage. And then from here you're going to go to the Installation tab and go to the File Search. Now, one of the main reasons is because of Epic Games itself that isn't running the launcher. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the launcher.exe right here. First of all, you can double click it and then open it from right here. There you have it, and then you download. Or what you can do is you're going to right click it and then you're going to click on send to and then go to desktop. And as you can see right now, you have the launcher.exe. Then right click on it, go to properties, and then go to compatibility, and then disable full screen optimization, and finally run this program as administrator. Click apply and then OK. And so every time you try to open it, it will open successfully right here from your desktop very easily. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.